Hey everyone, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. In this video, we're going to talk about Enhanced Mobility's newest mobility scooter. It's called the Mojo. Now there's two versions of the Mojo. There is the Mojo Auto Fold, which is self-explanatory. It folds and unfolds automatically with just the push of a button. And then there's the Mojo Manual Fold, which obviously doesn't have that auto fold function. The scooter can support 300 pounds of weight. The top speed is around 4 miles per hour. It's also airline approved. If you'd like a free catalog, you can go to the top of our website where it says free catalog, click on those words where it says free catalog, fill out your information. It takes about 10 days to get to you once you've done that. Or you can also call us and we provide that information, and you have that option as well. So let's get into it. We're going to show you some more about this scooter, which is the Mojo Auto Fold version. So on the tiller, it has a nice digital display that shows your speed, your speedometer, how fast you're going. It has an odometer, lets you know how long your ride is. It has the time. It's set at military time. And then this is the temperature of your, this is the battery gauge, and it also shows the temperature of the battery as well. There is, this is an open and close button. So you can either automatically fold or unfold by pressing this button, or you can press the button on the actual remote itself. So that's how you would fold it, unfold it. There's a button for the headlight and to power on and off the scooter, which is pretty cool. It comes with a horn. Here's your front headlight, and this is your speed control. So if you want to achieve that top speed of around 4 miles per hour, you turn it all the way to the rabbit. It's also a delta tiller, so it has this oval shape, and that's for people that have limited dexterity in their hands. So they can rest their wrist on this crossbar that's closest to you and then use your fingers to accelerate forward or backwards, and you can do it with either hand. As far as the headlight, so I'll turn it on here and I'll show you where it is. I'm going to press it on, and the headlight is actually located right here. It's hard to see right now during the daytime, but it does a great job of lighting up the path in the evening. Also with the tiller, it is height adjustable, and it's also angle adjustable. So you can see all these little holes right here. This is how you would lower it down. I'm a tall rider, so I'm 6'4", so I'm actually going to put it to the highest position. And then this is your angle adjustable. So it's a hydraulic lever. So you can either bring it towards you or you can push it away from you and just get to that nice comfortable driving position. So a really cool feature about this scooter is, there's flat free tires. So these are actually called Honeycomb Wheels. So there's holes in the tire. They give the tire a little more of a give. So it's similar to like a pneumatic air-filled tire. So you can see they're on the front tires and also the rear tires. Also another cool feature, because the scooter is airline approved, the batteries are, you don't have to bend down to get the batteries. You actually would pull them out right here. So you pull the batteries out and you bring these on the airline with you, and you fold up the scooter, give it to the attendant, and that's how you would travel with it. And then once you get to your destination, they'll have the scooter for you as you get off the plane, and you just insert the batteries back in here. So that's a pretty cool feature that a lot of scooters don't have.
Quick announcement, we're giving away a free scooter. Here's how to enter. First, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Next, comment below with your thoughts on this video and you'll be entered automatically. Stay tuned and good luck. Now let's continue with the video.
The armrests, so they are width adjustable and they're also height adjustable. So I can loosen this knob and I can put the armrest out, or I can push it in. So if you had if you're a wider body and you need more of a seating area, you can extend the armrest out on both sides to kind of give you more of a seating area. And then they're also height adjustable with this knob right here. I can adjust the height, or I can lower it, or you could remove it if you wanted to. So you have those two options, and I believe, yes, it's also angle adjustable. You'd have to use like a hex wrench, and you could adjust this little bolt, and it would go up or down, and that would adjust just the angle of the armrest as well. The padding on the seat is also very unique. So it's a comfortable cushion padding on the front or on the seat, and then the seat back. And you can see how the stitching is. It's really like a luxurious kind of look to it. The scooter's total weight is 64 pounds, which is pretty heavy for a lot of users. But the scooter actually breaks down. So not only is it automatic folding and folds and unfolds with just the push of a button, you can detach the rear wheels from the front half portion of the scooter. When I do that, this front portion is the heaviest part, and it weighs just 44 pounds. So that's a pretty cool feature that was really well thought out by Enhance. And then once you do this, you can fold the scooter as well. Press this and I hold it down. It's going to fold it. We do have the rear wheel in the way. So now this is at 44 pounds when it's folded. So I like that feature. It's pretty unique, just to help make it more manageable for people when they're not capable of lifting a heavy weight. And then as far as putting this back on, it's a little tricky. It actually took me a little bit of time to kind of figure this out, but these two red arms, they have to go on each side of this little red circular knob that sticks out. So if I put it over top of it, I got to make sure this red arm is over top of the red circular knob on both sides. There, now I got it in. So that does take a little bit of practice, but once you've done it a couple times, it's really simple. So in conclusion, if you're looking for an automatic folding scooter, it's airline approved, and it can fold and unfold with just the push of a button. The Mojo Auto Fold is really a cool scooter. It has a really sleek design. It's one of the more affordable folding scooters on the market, and it just really has a sleek look, and it sells really well for us. Our customers love the scooter. It's also made by Enhanced Mobility. They have an excellent warranty, and with Enhanced Mobility purchase from Electric Wheelchairs USA, we do throw in a 1-year labor contract, which is included with your purchase, so you have that additional peace of mind. If you have any questions about the Mojo Auto Fold or any of Enhanced Mobility's products, give us a call. We're open every single day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day.